In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language of Monopoly Go on your phone. So it's actually super simple. If you want to experience it in another language, all you gotta do is press on the three lines in the top right corner. And from here, we have to select the very last option, which is settings. And here, as you can see, the third option is language. So we just gotta press on English or whatever language your Monopoly Go may be in, and then scroll down until you find the language that you want to change your game to be in. So there aren't many languages yet, but we got some of the most popular ones like Spanish, we got German, so on and so forth. So from here you can just select your language, for example, and if you select it, it's going to prompt you with a confirmation warning. Are you sure you want to change your game language to Spanish? You click on change, and then your entire game's language will be changed. So that's how you do it. Hope this was helpful, informative. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.